Today we're going to show you the differences between vector and raster graphics. Let's start with a quick explanation of raster graphics. They are made of millions of colored picture points. You may know them as pixels. Vector graphics are made of anchor points, which are defined by coordinates and mathematical formulas. Through paths, these anchor points can then be connected, rounded, and colored in. Let's look at some examples to see what that means. Because raster graphics have a limited amount of pixels, they become blurry when scaled up in size, whereas vector graphics are mathematically recalculated and scaling won't affect their quality. However, when we scale the graphics down, they both look good. And there's also a difference in file size. Take this flag for an example. The vector graphic has a file size of 152 kilobytes and consists of 2 elements. The raster graphic is 2.7 megabytes and consists of almost 200,000 pixels. When scaling the flag up in size, the file of the raster graphic also increases in size, proportional to its number of pixels. The vector graphic file, on the other hand, stays the same. So now that we know the differences, when do we use what? Raster graphics are used for almost everything, but it's best to use them for detailed images, whereas vector graphics are used for less detailed images such as logos, text, and illustrations. Raster graphics are created by us every single day. Every time you take a picture, save a JPEG file on your computer, or screenshot a certain snap on your phone, you create a raster graphic. With vector graphics, it's a little bit more complicated. Every anchor of every object has to be placed individually in a vector program. Both raster and vector graphics can be converted into the other file. Although converting a vector graphic is a lot easier because the computer can simply render a graphic as pixels. The raster graphic, on the other hand, has to be retraced with paths, and the outcome is often different to the original.